our channel. I'm Olivia.
I'm Jaimee.
I'm Carl.
I'm
So today we're gonna do another quiz video. This time it's Jaimee against Carl. So let's start. So let's begin. What is the smallest country in the world?
Vatican City.
Yes, very good. Alberta is a province of which country?
Georgia.
No.
Alberta.
I give you a hint. It's a big country on top of America.
Canada.
Canada, yes. How many countries still have the shilling as currency?
Germany. لا.
No, shilling. Like they had in England, not a shilling. So.
Wait, how many are we?
How many?
4.
Yes, Jaimee. It's Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and Somalia. Now,
If I had to do the names, I wouldn't know.
which is the only vowel not used as the first letter in a US state?
M.
No, vowel.
Me.
You.
I think it's E.
Yes, E. Correct.
Okay.
Which is the largest country in the world?
Japan.
No,
China.
no. I give you a hint, it starts with an R.
Russia.
Russia, yes. As land, it's nearly a whole continent, Russia. It's really, 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 really big.
بس l'Europa fih.
Issa. Where would you find the River Thames? Easy.
In England.
But where?
In London.
London. Good. What is the hottest continent on Earth?
Africa.
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 What is the longest river in the world?
Nile.
The River Nile, yes. Now, what did the Romans call Scotland?
Scotland.
No.
Scotland.
Five.
Hint.
No, it's not. It's not easy. Caledonia.
Canada. I knew this.
Caledonia.
I like Scotland better.
Who was the youngest British Prime Minister? Mela, there's an actor, a very famous actor, who has the surname.
Anne Hathaway.
No, a male actor. That starts with a P. His name is Brad.
Brad Washington.
Brad Pitt.
His name is not Brad, this one. It was with W.
William Pitt.
Yes,
William
sir.
Pitt è vera.
William Pitt. These are difficult. Let's skip. So, what are the 5 colors of the Olympic rings?
Ooh.
Red, yellow,
Red,
blue,
yellow,
green,
and
purple.
No.
Oh, I know this. Blue.
The last one. Wait, is it? Blue. Wait. No, the middle one is...
Red, yellow.
Those are you correct.
Blue.
Red, yellow, green, blue. And then there's another one.
Bling blue.
You won't. It's not a color actually. It's
Black.
black. Yes, very good. In football, which you are both really bad at.
Yes.
Which team has won the Champions League the most?
Italy.
Which country? Teams. Hey, it's in Spain.
Yeah.
It has 2 words. The first starts with an R and the second one with an M. RM.
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid, yes. I could have said it. How many players are there in a rugby league team?
Huh?
How many are there players in a rugby league team?
5.
No,
8.
more?
9.
No?
15.
A little bit less?
14.
13.
13, yes. In tennis, what piece of fruit is found at the top of the men's Wimbledon trophy?
Pineapple.
Grapes.
Pineapple. Yes.
I was just thinking of SpongeBob.
Who won the FIFA Women's World Cup in
Serena
2019?
Serena Williams.
No, Women's World Cup.
Uh,
FIFA, football. Which country?
Yeah.
Who is the best in women?
Mux tennis għattilna.
But that was the one before.
Ah.
Banana.
No, which country is really good at women football?
Amerika.
USA. In bowling, what is the term given for 3 consecutive strikes?
Strike.
No. It's the name of a country, actually. And we eat it for Thanksgiving.
Turkey.
Turkey, a turkey.
We don't
If
have
you do 3...
Thanksgiving.
Oh, you wanna? And you know how she knows. If you eat a turkey. If you do 3 strikes in bowling, 3 after the other, they call it a turkey. Okay, these are difficult. Who is Donald Trump's vice president?
McDonald's Trump.
Oranges. Anything orange.
Mike Pence. I didn't even know that. No, Donald Trump's vice president. How many of the 6 founding members of the European Union can you name? Which are the 6 main countries of the European Union? Start.
Main countries. Malta.
The founding members.
Okay,
It
France,
started off with
France, Italy.
Yes.
England, Miss Mondish.
No. England, no.
Germany.
West Germany,
South Africa.
No, we're saying
even-
European
so even in
countries. One starts with a B.
Belgium.
One starts with an L.
London.
Luxembourg.
And one starts with an N.
Norway. Netherlands.
Netherlands. Belgium, France, West Germany, Italy, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands founded the European
This is why I'm better than you studies.
Union. Essa. Which nuts are used in marzipan?
These nuts.
You should know.
Hazelnuts.
No?
What did you say?
Marzipan.
What's marzipan?
Marzipan is like what we do in the Easter sweets, the inside.
Oh, almonds.
Almonds.
So
What is the most famous Mexican beer? It's very famous at the moment
root beer.
because it's a pandemic.
Corona.
Which country is the origin of the cocktail mojito?
Mexico.
No.
Spain.
No.
Switzerland.
Near Mexico.
Portugal.
There is one in Marsa.
It's in Marsa.
Cafe?
Cuba.
Cuba. Not cafe. Cuba.
Cafe Jubilee.
So Cuba is where cocktail mojito was invented, the origin. What is Japanese sake made from?
Sake.
Paper.
No?
Metal.
What do they eat a lot in Japan and China?
Bats.
No.
Mice.
Not mice.
Rats.
No, similar to mice, but you change the first letter.
Rice.
Lice.
Rice.
I was like lice.
Which vitamin is the only one that you will not find in an egg? The egg has a lot of vitamins, but one of them is not in it.
Vitamin B.
No? C. Yes.
Oh, because of citrus.
What is the chemical formula for table salt?
What?
Yeah, you should know it, chemistry guy.
Chemistry guy.
What?
It's NaC1 because Na is sodium, I think. No, Na is I don't know, and C is I don't know. NaC1 is table salt. Essa. What ingredient is included in food in a Florentine style? If it's Florentine.
Flowers.
No.
Quarantine.
Florentine.
Florentine and quarantine. There's something.
Florentine style food. What is always included? Popeye would be happy there.
Spinach.
Which fish is the main ingredient of Scotch woodcock? Which fish? It's normally found in
Tuna.
jars. No, similar.
Salmon.
It starts with an A.
I know this.
We find it on pizza. No, that's in Maltese. It's in English. We find it on pizza sometimes. So can you add
Anchovies.
anchovy?
I like anchovy. Once I tasted it.
Yes. These are difficult.
They're all difficult, these ones just so
Ba 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 ba. Which singer has the most UK number one singles ever? Carl would know this. Ever in the world. Jaimee doesn't even know about
Rita
him.
Ora.
No, not of these days.
Yeah.
From the
Amy
past.
Winehouse.
No, someone that has his hair like this.
Elvis Presley.
Elvis Presley. You know who Elvis Presley is?
Yes.
He's English.
Elvis Presley.
American.
Leah, which singer has the most UK number one singles ever?
Right.
What was Britney Spears' first single called?
Hit me baby one more time.
Hit me baby one more time.
No, thank you.
Essa. Coming, I'm coming.
Come on.
What is Cher's last name?
What?
Do you know what Cher's last name is? Her surname?
Who?
Cher, the
Cher.
singer.
Huh?
What was her
Touch
last
me, Nishi.
No.
I'm too old. One off.
It's really difficult, actually.
Snorlax.
I don't think she even knows how to spell it. Sarkeesian, or Sarkeesian, or Sarkasian.
Not quite related to music, is it?
Full name, Sherilyn
Can you make
Sarkeesian.
some not related to music?
No,
Because I
related
have
to
no
music.
idea.
I love music. I want to win this round. I want to win this round, yeah.
But I don't know anything.
Say if these are true or false.
Okay.
False.
The Channel Tunnel is the longest rail tunnel in the world.
True.
True.
False. The Gotthard Base Tunnel in Switzerland, 4 miles longer. It's 35.5 miles long.
Yes.
A woman has walked on the moon.
No.
True.
False. According to Scottish law, it is illegal to be drunk in charge of a cow. So you can't be in charge of a cow and be drunk. Is
True.
it true? Vietnamese is an official language in Canada.
False.
False.
It's French.
The setting for the ITV drama Midsummer
Nice
Murders
thing.
is a fictional English county called Midsummer.
True.
True.
Yes, because it was so complicated. An emu can fly.
False.
True.
True. Emu is the big bird.
Ah.
President Theodore Roosevelt's son was called Kermit.
True.
True. How do you know that?
Because I just say whatever
She
I
was
want to say.
certain about it.
That's what I said. Wow, I think she read it in a comprehension or something. Edinburgh is further east than Carlisle.
True.
False.
False. The can opener was not invented until 45 years after the tin can.
True.
True.
Yes. There are McDonald's, one every continent except one.
True.
True.
Yes. In which continent isn't there a McDonald's?
Malta.
There are McDonald's, one every continent. Except one. Mela. Grand Central Terminal, Park Avenue, New York, is
Nothing.
the world's largest railway station, highest railway station, longest, or none of the above. You say the longest? Is it the largest, the highest, or the longest?
Yeah.
I think the highest.
No.
So you say B,
No, I don't say B. I don't say B. I say A.
A?
I say none of the above.
It's A. It's the largest railway station.
I have no idea.
Entomology is the science that studies behavior of human beings, insects, origin and history of technical and scientific terms, or the formation of rocks.
Formation of rocks.
Sorry, I didn't understand what you said.
No one did.
Entomology, behavior of human beings, insects, scientific terms, or formation of rocks.
I think A.
No, it's insects. So entomology is studying insects. For which of the following disciplines is Nobel Prize awarded? Physics and chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, peace and economics,
C.
or all of the above?
All of the above.
All of the above. So the Nobel Prize is given for physics, chemistry, physiology, medicine, literature, peace and economics. Wow, I should get that, Mela. Hitler Party, which came into power in 1933, the Hitler of Germany, is known as the Labour Party, the Nazi Party, Ku Klux Klan, or Democratic Party?
Nazi party.
Nazi Party, very good. The logo for which popular app consists of a white telephone and a white speech bubble on a green background?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, yes. What is the name of the fourth book in the Harry Potter series? Harry Potter and?
Treasure Hallows.
Boop, beep, 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 boop, boop.
No, there's fire.
Hello, Elise. What is the name of the fourth movie of Harry Potter?
Harry Potter and the
With
Snake
fire.
of Fire. Dragon of Fire.
What is there in Harry Potter with such
Magic
a
of
G?
fire. Gargamel of Fire.
Goblet of Fire.
Goblet.
Goblet
Harry
of
Potter and the
Fire.
Goblet of Fire. What is 15% of 2000?
Not my category of intelligence. Maths.
Hey, 2000. Mela, 50%, what would it be? 50%.
1,000.
1000. And so from that, if we do
95. 950 and 500.
no,
No.
1000.
950.
No, 1000 is 50%. So we have to go down to 15%. Mela, let's do it 25. Mela, 50% of 1000, what is it? Half of 1000?
50.
5.
Oh, sorry.
500. Mela, 50%, 25% is 500. Mela, go down now. So 500 is 25%. Now we have to go down to 15%. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 15% of this is 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we have to go down to 15, 5, 10, 15. So how many? Did you understand me? Mela. We got down to 25%.
Yes.
25% is 500.
Yeah.
Now 25% is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So each 100 holds
25.
5%. So now we need to know 15%. Mela.
5.
Le. 15%. 5, 10, 15. But every finger is worth how much?
5.
No, if these are all 500.
It's worth 100.
So how much are 3 worth?
300.
Yes, don't understand my math, how I work it out. 300. Which film actor has commonly been nicknamed the Muscles from Brussels?
Popeye.
No. Maybe he would know it.
Brussels.
It's for used to fight in movies.
Yeah! Arnold Schwarzenegger.
No,
Arnold
similar to him. I'm not
Schwarzenegger.
Arnold Schwarzenegger. Jean-Claude.
De Baptiste. Fallen.
Valerie.
You don't know him, Jean-Claude Van.
Van der Vaal.
You don't know him, really. Van Damme. Jean-Claude Van Damme. Jean-Claude Van Damme.
I said vanilla.
That's not shit.
Which metal has the chemical symbol Pb?
Iron.
It starts with an L and it's 4 letters. It has actually 3 letters. It's L, then 2 in the middle. They have only 1 vowel sound and then another one, another consonant.
Darling,
Lead.
I dropped chemistry this year. I don't
PB
need
is
it anymore.
Lemurs are native to which island? You've been watching it 1,000 times.
Madagascar.
Which sport is featured in the 2003 film Seabiscuit?
Soccer.
Hockey.
No.
Football.
No. Think of Nana Grace.
Badminton.
No.
Running.
No, where she used to live?
Marsa. Horse riding.
Horse racing.
Horse race.
Who is older, Theresa May or Jeremy Corbyn? Jeremy Corbyn is older. Because he was born in 1949 and Theresa May was born in 1956.
She's 1 year younger than my grandmother. Older.
Who came to Malta in 890
George, 890.
after Christ? They came from beneath us. The
Devil.
Angels.
Arabs.
The Arabs. yes.
Benitas.
How many languages did the Order of St. John have?
15.
No, less.
5.
14. 13.
5.
No, less. More.
6.
A bit more.
10.
7.
A bit more.
8.
8 languages.
Do you know them? You're a tourist guide. You're supposed to know them.
3 of them were of a particular country. Which one? In Europe.
France.
France. 3 of them were French. 2 of them were?
Italian.
No.
Arabic.
Spanish.
Spanish. 3 were French. 2 were Spanish. 1 Italian. 1 German. 1 English.
من اسفل.
No. Mela. What was the Maltese currency before euro?
Lira. Maltia.
You know how much 1 lira was in euros?
6. 10.
No.
15.
16.
15.
No. 2.5.
Sheesh.
2.5. 2.5 euros were equivalent to 1 Maltese lira.
250.
250.
So,
It was 1 Maltese lira.
Now these.
Which author created the character Paddington Bear?
I know. She's from England.
Theresa May.
Michael Bond
And you.
created him.
That's why there's Michael in it. There's a
There's one Michael. He named himself after it.
Very clever. Very clever.
How many miles long is the river Nile? 2,258 miles, 3,258 miles, or 4,258 miles?
4,000.
4,258. And you?
C.
The same? C, yes. C is the correct answer.
Ding ding.
We're referring to a cash machine. What does ATM stand for?
Automatic transmitter machine.
Automated teller machine.
Teller machine.
Teller machine.
Okay.
In which decade was Donald Trump born?
What?
In which decade? How old do you think he is?
50. 60s. 60s.
More.
70.
70s.
70.
70s. He's 70, Kiko.
Atlek, I think he is 60s.
When was he
60s.
born? When was he born? Yeah.
In the
Before.
1950s.
Before.
40s.
But which?
1940s.
1940s. 1946. Unbelievable, eh?
Jesus, how old?
Where was Albert Einstein born?
India.
Germany.
No, Germany. What did Charles Darwin do?
Live.
Science thing.
He was a scientist.
He lived.
Biologist. He was a British biologist.
BB.
What were the first aeroplanes made of?
Wood.
And
Oh.
Aluminium.
Candles.
canvas. Canvas and wood. Wow.
That's unexpected.
What is the fastest train?
DB1M, DB1M,
No, what is it called in
subway.
general?
Bullet train.
No,
Bullet train.
the passenger train, ġifieri. Which is the fastest passenger train?
It's a
What
way.
do you want to know?
3 letters. You learned it in French. T, G,
V.
TGV. Train à grande vitesse.
Train à grande vitesse. French.
TGV.
Yes. The human brain is divided in different sections. Can you mention them? One is for emotion. No, sensory, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Sensory, for skin and muscle. Another one for...
The heart.
No, I think of the...
Nerves,
senses.
nerves, tell the same.
Senses.
No, think of the senses. Mela sensory
Foresight.
area. For sight, vision.
For smell, for taste,
No, for
Hearing,
hearing. For...
tasting,
tasting,
No.
kissing.
What are you doing?
talking.
Speech. And for motor area. To
Isn't
move.
there one for like controlling the body section?
I think it's that one. Sensory area for skin and muscles. There is enough fat in a human body to make how many bars of soap?
24.
No, much less.
6.
A bit more.
7.
7. So there is enough fat in our body to make 7 bars of soap. It depends, I think, because I could make 15, I mean. In 1990, the world population was...
2 billion.
No more.
200 billion.
No.
Okay, 2 billion.
2 billion in 1900. 1990, it was
1 billion.
5 billion.
5
Trillion. Billion.
billion. 5 billion.
Quindi
Yeah, billion. I thought you were saying million.
It does sound.
How many different languages are there in the world?
57.
No.
More.
A lot more. A lot and a lot and a lot and a lot.
150.
No, a lot more.
157.
A lot more.
200.
Go up to 4 numbers, 4 digits.
4,270.
A bit more.
4,300.
5,000.
5,000.
5,472.
I never knew there were so many languages.
The body is made up of what?
Nerves.
No.
Bones.
What are they
Skin.
called? The small ones,
Cells.
cells. And how many are there?
Yeah.
Are there tens, hundreds, or millions?
Millions.
Millions of cells.
Millions.
What do the red blood cells carry?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Very good.
Chemistry came
A
in.
human being breathes how many times in an average lifetime? How many times do we breathe?
More than a billion times.
No.
More than a billion times.
No. A dog. The dog with like
Till
this.
now 10. Till now 10.
World record. 1
Hey,
billion.
not a billion, a step lower.
1 million.
Mela million, but not 1 million.
200
5 million.
5 million.
500 million.
500 million times is an average lifetime. Yes. The heart will beat how many million times
Depends.
in a lifetime? Not
On
1,000,
average.
no more.
5,000 million.
In between.
2,000 million.
In between 1 and 5. Between 1 and 5.
25,000 million.
Between 1 and 5. What is this?
Oh, 30,000 million.
3,000 million.
3 billion times. It will beat 3 billion times.
But you said how many million times?
And we were 3,000 million. That's why I said 3,000. The heart pumps blood around how many kilometers of arteries, veins, and capillaries
1
per
kilometer.
minute?
1 kilometer.
No.
24 kilometers.
No. Go up
50
to thousands. Kilometers.
Kilometers.
Mela.
I think it can circle the world. How much we have?
How many thousands? Of kilometers. Start.
25,000.
More.
Kilometers of
2,000.
pipes.
Lots more. The heart pumps blood around kilometers of arteries, veins, capillaries.
Jesus. 200,000.
less.
Banana 1,000 times.
Between 100 and 200,000. Between 1,000.
150,000.
Between 1,000 and 200,000. It's exactly in between.
Ah.
1,000.
100,000.
Near.
1,500,000.
96,000. 96,000. Imagine. What is a cirrus cloud?
Serious.
It's the cirrus cloud. I saw this on YouTube. The cirrus cloud is like the cloud that's like almost like a paper. It's like really flat and like it's like there are like blind spots and like everywhere and stuff.
And when does it appear?
When it's about to rain or something like that.
A sign of bad weather.
I knew that.
What is cloud formed at a low level called?
At a low level.
Low level.
A cirrus cloud.
No, not cloud. What is it called?
What did you say?
When there is cloud formed at low level.
Oh, fog.
Fog. Very good.
The bitch that fellow.
Yeah.
Hello, darling. I hope you're having a nice day.
What do they do? What do they do out of trees? From rainforest trees.
Houses. Houses and chairs.
No. From rainforest trees. What do they do?
Firewood.
They do
Things.
what is made out of the what is made out of this material of elastic bands? What is this material?
Rubber.
Rubber. This, what is this?
Glass.
Glass. Metal.
What's inside it?
Copper.
Medicine.
Medicine.
And what do they use to do my hair?
Silicone.
Dye.
Yeah.
Ah.
Mela, rubber, medicine and dye are products made from rainforest trees. When is it considered a desert? How much rain does it have to rain every year to be considered a desert?
What do you want to know? Meter?
Centimeters.
Ah.
Even in Malta. I think we are nearly 200 we have in Malta. No, in Malta we have 600 millimeters. So it's 60 centimeters. How much is it considered a desert? If it rains less than per year.
Fimni.
Centimeters.
Less than 60.
More than 60. Għax kiku will consider.
Kiku will consider. Less ġifiri. It has to be less.
Ah. We consider desert.
Fajru hija.
Less than 60.
Eva, how much?
40,
Less.
20,
10.
Bit
30,
more. Between
25.
25. If it rains 25 centimeters per year, the place is considered a desert.
So we're a desert.
We're not a desert because it rains more.
In Malta.
Interesting. Malta.
How much of an iceberg is above water?
20%.
No.
10.
20%? I think so. Ahead. Would it be 1/10?
Because
Is
the
1/10?
majority of it is hidden underneath
No.
the water.
What did you say?
20%.
I
No,
said
it's
10%.
10%. Aż 1/10. 1/10 is 10%.
Yes.
Because it's
1/10.
it's underwater, the
10%.
majority of it.
The majority is underwater. Which is the largest, the highest waterfall? And where is it found? The largest waterfall is found in a country with V.
Vietnam. Venice.
Venice.
لا Venice.
Similar,
Venezia.
Venice.
Veneziosa. Stop repeating what I'm saying.
Venezuela. Venezuela. Venezuela is the country where there is the highest waterfall. And what do they call it?
Waterfall of Venezuela.
If you die, what happens? Who falls from the sky?
Heaven. God.
No, somebody falls from the sky to come and take you.
An angel.
Mela, an angel.
Angel falls.
Fall.
Angel falls. An angel falls.
Smart.
An angel falls from the sky. If you fall down, the water falls. Angel falls.
It's quite smart.
That's how I teach Jaimee to remember things.
That's really smart. Not jumping, that's not smart. How they named it, it's very smart.
Mela, Earth is which largest planet of the solar system? In which place are we? The largest, the fifth. Mela, Earth is the fifth largest planet of the solar system. The distance from the sun is how much?
500 kilometers.
Let me give you an idea.
500,000.
No. So, is it 24 million kilometers, 150 million kilometers, or 300 million?
300 million.
No.
150 million.
150 million kilometers. It is 150 million kilometers away.
Did you know?
How much does the Earth weigh?
I don't know.
200 million kilograms.
200 million kilograms.
21 kilograms.
Nah.
Even shish.
Even the trees alone would weigh more.
Lollo.
The Earth weighs 6,000 million tons. I don't know what that means.
Neither do I, but let's just roll with it for the sake of this video.
What is covered by water? How much of the surface of the Earth?
80%.
No, we always say that of the Earth is covered in water. Mela, let me tell you how much is land. Only 1/4 is land. Mela, how much is water?
75.
75%.
25%.
1/4 is water. 1/4 is land. 3/4 is water.
75%.
Hello. Thank you, Auntie, for having me as a feature on your channel. It was very fun. Subscribe, people of Malta and the world. Jaimee's calling me because we have noodles. Bye and subscribe. Oh my god.
Mela, eħa namlu intro. 3, 2, 1.
Kif il-intro?
Hello, welcome to our channel. It's a blooper. Okay,
Wara, nistaw niklu xi ħaġa.
Ejja.
Noodles.
Okwita. Seġġa l-esti daw ta' di.
The blooper, Hello and welcome to TVN.